Hi, everybody. Paul Walsh here with Michael Dobbs. Once again, today it's the Paul and Michael show since I'm kicking this thing off. And what we're going to talk about today is around pricing. If you can understand how the weather is going to shape demand, then it's only logical that you can then translate that into how you should be pricing a product. And basically making very subtle changes to pricing can pay big, big dividends. And now the technology is allowing us to be able to do that based on bringing in the external data, as we talked about, creating the analytics, and then creating a way to change pricing almost at a moment's notice. So here to talk more about specifics about how that works is Michael Dobbs. Go ahead, Michael.
Thanks, Paul. So how do we do this? How do we create pricing and then get that to the shelf in the stores? What we've done is we've created an analytics engine. Think of it as an in-store brain that works to understand what the optimal pricing is in a store at a certain time. It's interesting to know Amazon actually changes pricing on average of the average product every 10 minutes. So in that world, consumers are used to the fact that there are going to be price changes. And they actually are looking for the price that's relevant to them at a certain time. What we're able to do is use this external data, put it into this analytics engine, and what comes out is the correct price to drive sales at that certain time. Sales and, of course, profitability for the retailer. And what we've done is we've created a partnership with Pricer. Pricer is one of the leading sellers of electronic shelf labels. And so one of the main costs that a retailer has is printing all of these labels that have to go up. And then on top of printing the labels, it's the labor of putting the labels actually on the shelf. So Pricer is able to take the output from our analytics engine on dynamic pricing and put that directly on the shelf for the customer to see. And at the same time, change the system so you don't have issues with one price on the shelf and another price at the register. So we see this as being very useful, especially initially in the area of promotions, where a retailer might want to change prices of promotions, let's say for the weekend, and for other products that are very high volume within the store. If you'd like to learn more about this, please feel free to reach out to myself or to Paul, and we'd be very happy to take you through it. Thank you so much.